I planned to go to trial, and right before my trial, I was taken into custody, held at a county jail for a week, and then I came home, and then I was taken back into custody for a mental evaluation. And here's how it worked for me. So I got a call from my attorney about 3 weeks before my trial, and she said, the government wants you to plead, and they're going to revoke your pretrial release if you don't. And they have grounds to do that because you got the same prescription from 2 different doctors, so that was on me. So they could violate me, and she said, and they will. And I said, well, Liz, I don't want to plead guilty. And she said, yeah, but I'm telling you, Portia, like, they're going to make it really hard for you. You'll have to fight your case from a county jail, which a lot of people do. But for me, there were lots of reasons. I mean, I was so overwhelmed at this point that I pretty much just I let him take me into custody. So they revoked my pretrial release, and I had a mental breakdown. And part of that was that I had witnessed a shooting in a courtroom. That's another story that I'll share. And part of it was that I had the weight of the world because I was planning on going to trial. So anyway, they take me into custody. I pretty much shut down. I quit speaking. I can't even say my name. And when I come home, I go to meet with my attorneys, and my attorneys can see that I'm not doing well. So they call the government, the prosecutor, and they determine that I need to have a mental evaluation to determine if I'm competent to stand trial. Now, it would have been nice if they'd have sent me to a hospital to do this evaluation, but they didn't. They took me back into custody. I was held for 3 months in really difficult conditions, and eventually I had the whole forensic mental evaluation, and they determined that there was nothing wrong with me. And then I was brought back to Utah. I pled guilty. I got out of the county jail, and I had 6 months until I had to be sentenced. And that's how it happened. I've had people ask the question, why did they do it? Was it punitive? Yes. Did I give them a reason to? Yes. They had a prescription, a double prescription, and they used that to violate me.